Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to hide a page in WordPress using the 2025 method in just 5 minutes. In this walkthrough, we will use WordPress and a Google account to make a few quick changes that will hide your page by setting it to pending review. This process is ideal if you need to temporarily remove a page from public view while you work on it or prepare new content. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the WordPress website. Once the page loads, direct your attention to the top right corner of the interface where you will find the login button. Click on this login option to proceed into your account. This initial step is key because it allows you to access the administrative controls needed for editing your pages. After clicking the login button, you will see an option to continue with Google. Select this option to streamline your login process. Using your Google account not only simplifies the sign-in procedure, but it also enhances security by relying on a trusted two-factor authentication service. Once you click to continue with Google, a prompt will appear asking you to choose your Google account. Select the desired account from the list and you will be successfully signed in to your WordPress dashboard. As you are now logged in, direct your browser toward the section where all your pages are listed. You can find this by navigating to the Pages area on your WordPress dashboard. Although the page may include a link with a domain name associated with WordPress, focus on locating the Pages menu within the dashboard interface. This area holds all of your website's content pages, from published posts to drafts waiting for further action. Once inside the Pages area, locate the specific page you wish to hide and look for an option labeled Quick Edit. This feature is designed for fast and efficient modifications, allowing you to avoid the more time-consuming full edit page. Clicking on Quick Edit will reveal a set of options related to your page's settings. In the Quick Edit view, find the section designated as Status. Here you will see that your page is currently set to Published, meaning that it is visible to the public. It is important at this point to change the status to Pending Review, since this change will effectively hide the page from public view while it remains in draft mode. Adjust the status by selecting Pending Review from the available options. After you have successfully changed the status, ensure that you save this new configuration by clicking the Update button. By doing so, WordPress will apply the modifications to your page, and it will no longer show as published on your live site. In just a few moments following the update, anyone visiting your website will no longer see the page that is now awaiting review. This quick process is highly efficient for managing pages when you need to keep certain content hidden temporarily. By using WordPress's quick edit feature in combination with your Google account for secure login, you are able to control the visibility of your website's pages effortlessly. Enjoy the ease and flexibility that WordPress provides for your web content management.